To access Google Classroom, there's two different ways. Either you can go to google.com or any Google-based browser, click on the Google App Launcher or the 9 waffles, and select Google Classroom. Or you can do direct type into classroom.google.com. That will take you directly to the Google Classroom homepage. From there, it might ask you to sign in. Be sure to go ahead and sign in. And then all the classes you're associated with will be seen. Now, most teachers will be given the ability to accept a class that's already built for them. So go ahead and click the Accept button to accept that class. You are now a teacher in that class. A couple key features in Google Classroom and to start you off. On the bottom right corner, you will notice the Floating Action button. And that Floating Action button is where you see your announcements, your assignments, questions, and other posts to reuse. On the left side, you will see topics. And you can use topics to determine different units if you are a standard teacher in a regular classroom, or let's say you are a professional learner, trainer for professional development or professional learning. You can use topics to differentiate each of the new learning opportunities you've given to your staff. So if you add a topic, let's say this topic is over digital citizenship. Click Add. And move on. Now notice that topic is now added here. We can add another topic, and this time we're going to talk about differentiation. Click Add, and now we have two topics. For instance, let's say we want to go ahead and create an announcement. And maybe in that announcement, we're going to say, welcome to today's lesson. Use this time to learn about digital citizenship. Down here, you notice it has topic. We're going to choose on the digital citizenship topic. And maybe we want to go ahead and add a YouTube video. So I'm going to click on the YouTube link. We're going to do a search for ISTE. And we're going to add this video to it. Click Add. And notice you can also add upload attachments. You can add Google Drive documents as well as links. I'm going to click Post. And notice this is labeled under the topic of digital citizenship. But if I create an assignment for differentiation and say how to differentiate, I'm going to tell our students to watch the video and post on how you differentiate in your classroom. Again, we can add a due date. Say the due date is tomorrow. We give a specific time. And again, we're going to choose the topic of differentiation. We're going to find that video. And you can notice you can always just add by URL. Add that video. And we're in our instructions, we're going to say add the post in the discussion with this assignment. And we're going to assign. Now again, we have two different topics, two different assignments or announcements. And so if a learner comes in, a student or another teacher that's in professional development, and is in the class about differentiation, they can click on that specific topic and only have those assignments. If they're in the digital citizenship, they can click on that topic and have only those assignments. So topics will allow you to determine what is actually going to be covered that day. So that's just a quick way to start in Google Classroom. For more information, definitely contact me or look up information through the Google support documentation.